Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all my penny shopping haul. I found a ton of items, plus we have a very important surprise penny item that you guys need to be on the lookout for. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so I am back home from penny shopping, and I have so many items to show you all. It will not even fit into the frame here, so I'm just going to have to hold my camera. Sorry for the shakiness. Now, as y'all can tell, I had a successful penny shopping Tuesday. I hope your all's was just as successful. Now, I didn't find some of the items that I was looking forward to picking up, but I still found some really good items. So, and I think we have some surprise pennies that you guys need to be on the lookout for as well. Now, I did go to two stores. I wasn't planning on it. I was only going to go to one store this morning, but I was pretty successful at the first one, so I thought, you know what? We'll go ahead and drive down the road and see what the other store has available. Now, a lot of the stores in my area had already packed up their lawn and garden, spring and summer, all of the pink square toys, all that stuff was already packed up in those gray totes, ready to send back. But they did overlook a few really good items. So let's go ahead and jump in. I'm going to share my haul with you guys and give you all the UPC codes and all that good stuff. So as you all can see, I found a ton of the piñatas. I literally have a piñata mountain. Now, what am I going to do with all of these piñatas? I really have no idea. I'm thinking that the best idea is to take them to the elementary school and see if any of the teachers want to use them for whatever, but if they don't want them, I'll sure find somebody or somewhere to donate these items. Maybe in the nursing home, another employee suggested, so all of those will be going somewhere. Donation items for sure. So I found a ton of those. I'm not sure why the employees left all of these on the shelves, but there's a ton there. Now next up, I found two of the summer party supply items. I found the orange napkins right here. And then I also found the little lemon plates. So these actually have a purple dot on the back right there. Now these two items were probably somebody picked them up and then laid them back down in the regular party supply section. So whenever you guys are out penny shopping, look up and down every single aisle, because you just never know what people will pick up and then lay back down somewhere else in the store. You know, they decide not that they don't want it or whatever it may be. Or there may be other penny shoppers in your area that are kind of hiding items for them to find later. So just be on the lookout. Don't write off your store if you go in and you just don't see anything right up there at the front ready to go for you. You got to kind of look and search and dig and scan, all right? Now, next up, one of the best finds of today were the coolers. So 24 can soft side cooler. Now, I found these on a top shelf. On the very top shelf, they had stuck this one up there with the other Igloo coolers. Now, the Igloo coolers are still full price. Those will remain full price. Those are excluded items. But these coolers right here, these are following the the lawn and garden items. So, originally $14. Right here is the UPC code if you guys need it. And so yeah, that was a really, really good find. If those UPC codes aren't showing up on the screen, I will put a picture there instead. All right, now next up, I did find the fudge striped cookies, and I'm so excited for this find. Again, another really great find. I never find the food items. Those are always gone. So I found a total of 8 packs of these. They're just underneath the cooler there. I gave one to the cashier, and I actually found these on an end cap stuck back with the other Keebler fudge striped cookies. So again, be on the lookout. Look everywhere. Look in your regular cookie section. Look on those end caps and scan. All right. Now, moving on to some really fun finds. I want you guys to definitely check out your NCI or your home section, because I found quite a few items there. So I found this little flowers and garden, this little pot. Now somebody has spilt something in it, so I'm going to have to clean it up. But this one doesn't have a dot on it or anything like that, but it does say S22, and I know that's probably not going to focus well enough for you all, so I'll pop up a picture on the screen there, but the tag does say S22, so there is the UPC code for that. Thought that was a pretty good find. Now next, I also found these signs, and I believe these came in with the spring and summer stuff as well, so Live, Laugh, Love. I found these back there where all of the signs are and the picture frames and stuff like that. So, flip this over so you guys can have the UPC for that one. Again, probably not going to focus, so I will take pictures. And then we also have the Home Sweet Home sign as well. And I'll take a picture of it and pop it up there on the screen for you guys. So those were also a penny regular, $3. I think it was $3.50. Yes, $3.50. Now, two more awesome finds that you guys need to be on the lookout for. Again, in the home section of your store. So we have the Farmhouse Fresh Milk signs. So any kind of farm home decor, I would definitely pick it up and scan it. So again, this was only 1 penny, and on the tag it does say S22. I know you guys, again, I'll pop up a picture on the screen there for you all so you can have the UPC code. But again, look out for those farm home decor items. Alright guys, I've been up super early this morning. Now here is a really good find. So this is just a regular little basket. There are 2 colors that I found. One is this light color, another one is the darker color. But what makes this one so important is the tag right here. So you guys want to be on the lookout for all of these items that have the cobblestone tag. I've been seeing a lot of people post these on Instagram. So be on the lookout. Anything that is cobblestone, has a little stone right there on the top and bottom. All of those items have pennied out. So this was normally $10. But again, it has the S22 there on the back. Now, I didn't notice it until I got home, but this one does have a couple of tears in it. But, you know what? It's okay. It's still good. I can definitely come up with something to do with this. But that's just a big, large tray, and they come in the large, medium, and small ones. So, be on the lookout for those. And again, anything with this cobblestone tag, scan, 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 because these items have pennied out, all right? So, I think I ended up with about 49 items. Now, it would not surprise me if I go back out to my car and find a few more of those lovely piñatas, but I think I ended up with about 50 items, so 50 cents for everything that you see here. You know what? You just can't beat it. So I am super excited about this haul, and I want to know how you guys did today. So let me know down in the comment section, how did you all do? How many items did you find? How much did you end up spending? Or if you found any surprise penny items, you can leave a description and the UPC code in the comments down below. Or if you guys want to send in pictures of items that you found or your entire haul, I would love to see it. You can send it to my email, which is crazycoupons1@gmail.com, or you can message me on Instagram, which is @crazycoupons. And if you don't want to send any pictures, that is totally fine, but make sure that y'all stay tuned, because for your other crazy couponing family members, if anybody sends in pictures, I will be posting those in the community tab today. All right, so stay tuned for that. And also, one more thing, if you missed my original penny list video, make sure that you go and check that one out as well. And again, all of that will be linked in the pinned comment down below for you. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys found a lot of good penny items today. Now, before you all go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.